Welcome to the video lecture on quantization of electromagnetic field. Quantization process of simple harmonic oscillator greatly simplifies the electromagnetic field quantization problem. We know that the raising and lowering operators are used to solve the quantum harmonic oscillator problem. At very low intensities, the particle nature of radiation becomes predominant. Hence, the quantum mechanical treatment of radiation comes into picture. The classical treatment of radiation fails to explain the spontaneous emission of photons. Here, the electric field E, magnetic field B, and the vector potential A are replaced by their corresponding quantum mechanical operators E cap, B cap, and A cap respectively. We know that B vector is equal to curl of A vector, E vector is equal to 1 upon C minus sine 1 upon C del A upon del T, and the electromagnetic equation del 2A minus 1 upon C square del 2A upon del T square equal to 0. The vector potential A is expanded in a Fourier series equal to 1 upon root V summation over k summation over lambda equal to 1 and 2 inside bracket A lambda k epsilon lambda exponential I k dot r minus omega kt plus A lambda k star epsilon lambda star exponential minus I k dot r minus omega kt. Epsilon lambda is polarization unit vector with lambda equal to 1 and 2 which are orthogonal to each other. Vector A function of R and T is a field operator. It acts on a photon state or many photon states at position vectors Ri. The Hamiltonian of the atom and external radiation is given by H cap equal to H naught cap plus HR cap plus V function of T cap, where H naught is equal to Hamiltonian of the unperturbed atom, HR equal to Hamiltonian of electromagnetic field, and V prime is interaction of atom with the radiation. We need quantize the energy of electromagnetic field, that is, write HR cap in terms of the field operators A cap lambda k and its complex conjugate. Next, we introduce canonical conjugate variables P cap lambda k and Q cap lambda k. Lambda refers to polarization unit vectors equal to 1 and 2, and k is wave vector. Then we get H cap r equal to summation over k summation over lambda equal to 1 to 2 inside bracket half P square lambda k plus omega square k by 2 Q square lambda k. Thus, the radiation field is regarded as collection of independent harmonic oscillators, each of which is characterized by lambda k and whose dynamical variables are orthogonal linear combinations of Fourier coefficients. Now, for the quantization of radiation oscillators, Dirac proposed to treat operators Q cap lambda k and P cap lambda k as non-commutable operators. The commutation relation is Q cap P cap commutator bracket equal to IH cross delta lambda 1 lambda 2 delta K1 K2. Next, we introduce lowering and raising operators A cap lambda k and A dagger lambda k in terms of the operators Q cap lambda k and P cap lambda k. We get HR cap equal to summation over k summation over lambda equal to 1 to 2 H omega k n cap lambda k plus half, where n cap lambda k is equal to A dagger lambda k A into A lambda k. This is the number operator. The operators A cap lambda k commutes with A cap lambda k, and so does A dagger cap lambda k. The commutation relation between A cap lambda k and A dagger lambda k is A cap lambda 1 k1 A dagger cap lambda 2 k2 inside commutator bracket equal to delta lambda 1 lambda 2 delta lambda k k2. A cap and A dagger cap are respectively the annihilation and creation operators. Eigenvalues of the number operator capital N cap lambda k are small n lambda k equal to 0, 1, 2 and so on, and the eigenvectors are ket n lambda k. Ket 0 is the state with no photons. Ket n lambda k is the state with n lambda k photons. Actions of A cap lambda k and A dagger lambda k are given by A cap lambda k ket n lambda k equal to under root n lambda k ket n lambda k minus 1 and A dagger cap lambda k ket n lambda k equal to under root n lambda k plus 1 ket n lambda k plus 1. The energy eigenvalues of the radiation is given by ER equal to summation over k summation over lambda h omega k n lambda k plus half. We get operators A lambda k cap and A dagger lambda k cap in terms of annihilation and creation operators A small a lambda k cap and small a dagger lambda k cap. Putting this in the expression for the vector potential operator A function of r and t, we get it equal to summation over k summation over lambda equal to 1 to 2 inside square root 2 pi h cross c square upon omega k v within bracket A lambda k cap exponential I k dot r minus omega t epsilon lambda plus A dagger lambda k cap exponential minus I k dot r minus omega t epsilon lambda star. This is called field operator of the quantized field. The interaction operator Vr cap is equal to E divided by MEC vector A function of r and t multiplied by p vector. This gives HR function of t equal to summation over k summation over lambda equal to 1 to 2 inside bracket v lambda k cap exponential I omega t k t plus v lambda k dagger cap exponential minus I omega k t, where v lambda k cap and v lambda k dagger cap respectively correspond to the absorption and emission of a photon by the atom. Here the matrix representation of annihilation operator, creation operator and number operator consistent with the commutation relation along with ket n have been shown. A lambda I ki dagger has the property of creating additional photon in the state lambda I ki, leaving the occupation number of the states other than lambda I ki unchanged. For this reason, A lambda I ki dagger is called creation operator for a photon in the state lambda I ki. Similarly, A lambda I ki is called annihilation operator for a photon in the state lambda I ki. In contrast, capital N lambda I ki being diagonal doesn't change the occupation number of the photons. It simply gives the eigenvalue, that is the number of photons in the state lambda I ki. Thus the three operators A dagger lambda k, A lambda k and capital N lambda k are referred to as creator, destroyer and preserver in Hindu mythology. The process of quantization of radiation achieved by writing the electromagnetic field in terms of creation and annihilation operator is called second quantization, which leads to replacement of various fields. For example, vector potential, vector A function of vector r and t, electric field vector capital E vector function of position vector r and t, and magnetic field vector vector b function of position vector r and t by operator quantities, which in turn are expressed in terms of creation and annihilation operators. In this lecture, these two references shown here have been used. Thank you.